Well, I figured I'd make a fast video today. We got some parts off this C30. If you didn't know, got this old C30 here to use some parts on my C30. And I'm going to sell the rest on eBay. In the description below is my store. I'll list parts as I get them off. I got all kinds of goodies on there too, just not car parts. So I picked this off this truck. This is a windshield washer reservoir. Mine was busted on my C30, so I'm going to take it over to see if it fits. Still got fluid in it. It's OEM. And bolt it on. That's a good fast video for today. It came with its bolts. It even came with washer fluid. Look at this. Okay, it might have ice in it. Does it? Ugh, can't open it. Ugh. It's cold. So if it works, I'll probably take it in the house, melt the ice in hot water, and then install it. So let's go check, see if it fits. I done got the hood ready to pop. I might not can use it though. You never know with stuff like this. Especially when you got something modified. Oh, and this is a little modified. Okay, this sets here. I'm pretty sure. So I need to remove this. I got this bolted down for now. This would set here. And bolt in. Okay, hit will work. Maybe here in a day or two I can finish this video. I'm going to take it inside because I need to get this off. Now I doubt my vice grips is still here. I don't know, it might be. Is my vice grips still out? Mm-hmm. They are? Oh, well they ain't still. Yeah, if you don't care. As I'm waiting on my helper to go get my needle nose pliers to get that out with, check out all the stuff we got for eBay. We got a marker light, got all kinds of bolt kits here, got the emblems, hood hinges, bezels, grill, chrome. Got a lot of goodies here in the next, day or two will be listed on the store. They might be listed now. I'm not sure. If you're looking for parts for your truck. If not, just get subscribed. Keep your notifications on and we can go from there. So that's pretty much that bolt. So I got this here. I'll unbolt this. Then, ain't gonna work too good, is it? Because I got a new bracket for this I need to install. Can I move this over just enough? Probably can't. Because I used that existing holder to just temporarily mount that computer. So this will go down here. Then my computer can mount here. But it hits this, I think. I might have to, maybe I can mount the washer fluid here. We could move the washer fluid. Okay. We could, or I could just sell it and run a washer fluid tank from something else. What do you think? Because I hear what would the factory go? Oh, it's missing the thing, ain't it? Let's see. Yeah. So it won't even bolt to mine. So I'll take it inside, get the ice out of it. We go from there. Okay, that didn't go as planned. You can see it got dark. Can you see? It looks pretty dark. So I just want to show you what you think. Since I didn't. Oh, light came on. You can see me much better now. I'm marking one of the buildings up. Oh, it's got the Dodge Charger in it, by the way. You can see some of the eBay inventory just scattered about. Ain't inventoried yet. I usually put them over these overhangs to keep them in the dry and stuff. Looks up pretty good. But, once they get inventoried, I set them in the, take the parts and put them on the shelves and whatnot. And that way, when they sell, I know where they at. Because you just scatter stuff to the wind, you don't know where they at. It works out, trust me. It seems to, at least. It's a little chaotic, but chaos is just part of life. What's your opinion on doing that with the C30? Should I get some other kind of reservoir? Or do you think we should mount it over some and go ahead and mount the computer? Because I do got a bracket for that computer and stuff. I want to know your opinion. Because I know some of you do watch my videos and stuff. And thank you for that. And but what I'm thinking is put the computer bracket on and move the reservoir over. and then we can have a windshield washer reservoir, because it's Kentucky, and trust me, sometimes you do need that windshield reservoir, and install that to make it all neat and stuff. That might be the next video we do, but I wanted to make a short one for Saturday. You know, today's Saturday. Ain't as cold as it was yesterday, and Sunday I will have a video going up, so check back Sunday if you don't get a notification. And then I got some videos already scheduled for a couple days after, so you should have a couple days of daily content, and then we'll catch back up with you. But as of today, Saturday, this is what's going on. I'm trying to figure out with the reservoir situation. Then I filmed a bunch of videos, and I've been doing eBay inventory. Description below. Thanks again. I appreciate it.